When practicing reverse parking, the first step is to choose a suitable space. Look for a parking spot that is large enough to maneuver your vehicle comfortably and correctly. And this is very important because as a beginner driver is crucial that you find a parking space that it's not gonna give you a hard time. As you drive through the parking lot searching for a space, be sure to use your turn signals or flashing lights to indicate your intention to park in reverse. This helps other drivers understand your plan and gives them time to react. Now, I want to clarify that we're practicing reverse parking because this is something that I believe every driver should very well know how to do. And in a lot of cases, you're going to want to do parking in reverse because it's easier and maybe you like it more and it's more comfortable. But I want to make sure that you guys know that reverse parking is not a requirement for your driver's examination in any US state. It's an optional skill, and I often advise my students to park head-in unless you have a low vehicle that might scrape its bumper on concrete barriers. So just throwing that out there. To start, drive slowly through the parking lot as we mentioned until you find a suitable space. Activate your turn signals to indicate your intention to park. The most common method involves moving forward diagonally before reversing, which I'll explain in detail. So I will give you a full step-by-step tutorial on how to do this parking in reverse as an optional choice for you. Again, this is not necessary or a requirement that you're gonna need for your driver's exam. So with that being said again, let's get started. So you're gonna start driving slowly through the parking lot until you find a suitable space like we discussed. You activate your turn signal to indicate your intention to park. And the most common method involves moving forward diagonally before reversing, which I'm going to make sure to explain in detail so you guys could have a much better idea. But finding that parking space that is suitable for you, it's actually what you need to know. A common question is the distance that you should keep from the vehicles on your right. And it's actually approximately 1.5 to 2 meters. So try to aim for that, right? And since it's hard to gauge this distance from inside of your vehicle, let's imagine the street as a two-way. Align your left headlight with the center of the street to estimate the distance from parked cars on your right. Now, moving forward. So continue moving forward until the mirror on your right is centered with the parking spot that you want to enter. And now the next step is that you're going to start turning your steering wheel all the way to the left. And make sure, obviously, that there's no vehicles approaching from the front or behind. So be aware of your surroundings. Drive forward until your vehicle is at an angle of about 45 degrees, like here. Or when there's roughly half a meter of space in front of you. All right, and then you are going to shift into reverse. You're going to always be looking at all times at your surroundings, shift to reverse, and then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to turn your steering wheel like this, fully to the right. Before reversing, double check again that it is safe to do so, and then release the brakes slowly and move backward until your vehicle is straight and aligned with the parking spaces in front. Use your mirrors to check the distance between your vehicle and the cones or parked cars on either side. It's very crucial to always be looking through your mirrors, just making sure that everything is good. Do not be afraid to double check or move forward and backwards to adjust, right? But you want to be able to make sure that you are safely parked and there's no issue, that nobody's going to hit your car and you're not going to hit other vehicles. So Be patient as you do this. If you notice that you still need more adjustment, make them by shifting to D drive, moving forward to correct the alignment, and then switch back to reverse and continue parking. It's very simple. All it requires is a lot of patience, obviously. Practicing reverse parking with cones or in a low traffic area is crucial for gaining the skills and confidence that you need. So find yourself a quiet spot with 4 cones if you have cones for practice. I highly suggest the cones because they're very, very helpful. Now, if you need additional help or want to attend driving school, just do so. Find help, find a driver instructor, a school nearby, and get the required practice and everything that you need in order to make yourself feel more confident and prepared for when you hit the road. Now, with that being said, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you found this video helpful and you really like the tutorials. Hit that subscribe button. Click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest classes. And your feedback is very important. I really, really, really love it. And I thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial, and happy parking. Enjoy.